This is a video all about word sorts. Word sorts are activities where students categorize words according to the word's features. Sorting makes it easier to see the similarities and differences of words. Even before being able to read, students can begin sorting. They can sort pictures by beginning sounds, ending sounds, vowel sounds, or number of syllables. But for this word sort intervention, students will be working with decodable words and some irregular high-frequency words. Another purpose of this strategy is that students can learn how to spell words they don't think they know how to spell by comparing words through sorts. Knowing how to spell familiar words gives the students reference points for knowing how to begin spelling new words. For these virtual word sorts, the materials you'll need will be located in the Google Drive. Reach out to your teacher if you need these sent to you. Online word sorts have been created from paper word sorts through flippity.net. If you'd like to explore more about creating your own sort, feel free to go to YouTube and search for how to make word sorts using Flippity. I'll show you how to access the virtual word sorts. Once they're shared with you, click on the lesson and this will bring you to a spreadsheet that has each word for that sort. At the bottom of the spreadsheet, click on the tab that says Get the link here. Then click on the link, which will bring you to the online word sort. Each category of the sort will be colored tiles. So depending on how many categories you have, you'll click on the bottom right gear and select the amount of columns you want. For this example, I'll choose 3. Now we are ready to sort. The procedure for word sorts is generally straightforward, but you can follow some guidelines when working with students of different abilities. Provide students with some example questions that they can ask themselves to perform the sort. Examples might include, under which heading or into which pile would I place this word? What makes this word different from that word? What do all of these different words have in common? Sometimes it's best to let students complete the whole sort before reviewing whether or not they got each word sorted correctly. This is a time saver and also a good way for students to self-correct. Word sorts are highly adaptable and extendable. They allow you to sort words with the simplest of concepts and progress to the more difficult. One extension would be to remove the categories and let the students identify them for themselves. On this website, you can move the categories to the side, out of sight, and have the students categorize each word by themselves. Although there is no data collection system for this activity, you can still analyze and make note of certain words or patterns the student continues to get wrong. This can help you focus further instruction on those areas. So once students figure out that they can use words that share similar features to help read other words, their ability to read unfamiliar words will increase greatly. And that is what word sorts are all about.